So if you are checking out this 5-quart cast iron Dutch oven, let me tell you all the great things about it and show you how beautifully it bakes even your basic loaf of bread. Now, one thing to note, this does have a nice shallow base. That makes it way safer when you're transferring dough than the traditional Dutch ovens. So my dough is all ready to go. I love how it has filled out the entire pan. To put the lid on it, bake it, and then I'm going to show you how beautiful it turns out. So with this high dome lid, it traps steam, giving your bread a crispy golden crust each and every time. It also comes with this cute little pot holder to lift your lid. Look how incredibly perfect that is. This is nice and hot, and look how golden brown it is. Another thing that's great about this Dutch oven is it's made out of cast iron. The reason this is important means the heat is going to distribute evenly. And finally, the cleanup is super simple. Because it's made out of that smooth enamel, I just use hot soapy water and a sponge. So I want to thank the brand for sending this to me to test out and try. I definitely love it and would completely recommend this. I absolutely love this beautiful red ombre look. It's very durable and bakes beautifully. So thanks for watching.